everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez and I welcome you back to one of my videos. Now this video you are going to love because it is all about New Year's Eve outfits. As professionals, sometimes we wonder, can I wear skimpy clad clothes out and about? If I see a potential client, are they still going to take me seriously? Or maybe you don't care and you just want some ideas. So I am here to give you some really nice, great chic ideas. And if you don't like them, then tell me in the comments below. No way, no how, that doesn't look good, not you, not on anyone. Don't ever wear it, but if you love it, then give me a thumbs up and ask me where I got this outfit. This next dress, I absolutely love. I think it is so beautiful. To detail. This dress is heavy and it is thick, but it is so pretty. I think I like this one, but I want to know what you think. So I hope you like these outfits and tell me which one was your favorite. Which one did you love and which one did you not love? Do you trust your lawyer wearing any of these outfits? Now, thanks for watching my channel. I really hope that you click the red button and subscribe so that in 2020 you can watch more videos like these. Also, I wish you a very happy new year and a very great start to the year. See you in 2020, everyone.